Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fold a paper airplane that I invented. So start by folding your paper in half. Fold this edge to this crease and this edge to that crease. Next, fold this edge down to this crease. Do the same with the other side. Now it should look something like this when you unfold it. Now all you have to do is fold down, make a pinch mark, and then over here, fold this point to the pinch mark, and then make another pinch mark, and now just half an inch before the first pinch mark you made, fold down on it, and now all you gotta do is fold your paper in half and fold this edge to that crease and this edge to that crease. Now I'll show you how it flies, but this can be out. It just works better if this goes out a bit, down. It's okay if it goes down so the air can push through it. So I'll show you how it flies. Thank you for watching. Bye.